Who holds the reins of power within the Citizens' Coalition for Change, Nelson Chamisa or Thokozani Tshabangu? This question continues to fuel much debate and speculation. Today we delve into the heart of this power struggle, tracing its roots and mapping its trajectory. Our story begins in the early days of the CCC's formation. Nelson Chamisa, a charismatic leader with a reputation for eloquence, quickly emerged as a frontrunner. His fervor for change resonated with many, propelling him to the forefront of the party. His early tenure was marked by a series of wins that solidified his position as a leader within the CCC. But as the old saying goes, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. The winds of dissent began to blow in Chamisa's direction, spearheaded by Thokozani Tshabangu. Tshabangu, a seasoned politician with a wealth of experience, started to challenge Chamisa's leadership style and the direction he was steering the party. This marked the beginning of a power struggle that would shape the CCC's future. Tshabangu's first public challenge to Chamisa came during the party's annual convention. In a bold move, she questioned Chamisa's strategies, suggesting they were too radical and could potentially alienate moderate supporters. Tshabangu's words sparked a divide within the party, leading to heated debates and speculation about the future of the CCC. As the power struggle intensified, both Chamisa and Tshabangu continued to rally their supporters. Chamisa maintained his stance, arguing that radical change was necessary to shake off the shackles of the past. Tshabangu, on the other hand, advocated for a more measured approach, one that would ensure stability and gradual progress. The tug-of-war between Chamisa and Tshabangu reached a climax during a crucial vote on the CCC's policy direction. The results were split down the middle, a reflection of the deep divide within the party. This stalemate further complicated the power struggle, leaving the CCC's future hanging in the balance. In the wake of this power struggle, the CCC finds itself at a crossroads. With Chamisa and Tshabangu both asserting their leadership, the party is at risk of fracturing. The question remains, who will ultimately take the helm? To summarize, the power struggle within the CCC began with Nelson Chamisa's rise to prominence. Thokozani Tshabangu's challenge to Chamisa's leadership sparked a divide within the party. The tension reached a boiling point during a crucial policy vote, resulting in a stalemate that has left the CCC's future uncertain. So as we watch this power struggle unfold, remember that the fate of the CCC is not just about Chamisa or Tshabangu. It's about the future of the party, its members, and the broader political landscape. The outcome of this power struggle will undoubtedly have far-reaching implications, shaping the direction of the CCC and potentially influencing the course of politics in Zimbabwe. The question remains, who will come out on top?